Sir Kensington's ranch and an avocado had a baby. It became a deviled egg. First step to any deviled egg is you gotta hard boil the eggs. And the best way to hard boil the eggs is to grab a tack like this and give it just a little prick right in the top. That helps the egg sink to the bottom of the boiling water, but it also, the shell comes off a lot easier after the boil. So once peeled, you wanna cut them in half. Just using the back of the spoon, I'm just kinda like lightly prying out the yolk. So I'm just gonna give the avocado a quick twist. Open up, quick twist, and scoop out. All right, so the way to test if a chili is spicy, just kind of nick the top and give it a... It's not bad, it's not great, it's pretty spicy. So, if you want all the seeds out, which we do, great tip is you want to roll the chili. This loosens all the seeds, right? And then just cut off the back and shake them out. I'm gonna chop this super fine, just so there's a little heat in every bite. And it's gonna join the party. All right, so I've got some radishes and I wanna use kind of the bulbs to finish the actual egg itself, but the tops have these peppery greens that a lot of people throw away. We're gonna use it kind of like an herb inside the filling. So if you think about it, Sir Kensington's ranch has everything that you already want in it, right? It's got celery seed, it's got garlic, it's got rosemary. So it's only gonna pump up the flavor of this deviled egg. I'm gonna say now you just get in there and smash to your heart's desire. So you just don't wanna overmix this, right? This is not a puree. We still wanna kind of taste the texture of the egg, right? You wanna get those crunchy bits of the radish top, so I'm not overdoing it here. All right, so I like to hold the radish kind of by the tops where I already cut them, and then just shave them as thin as you can get it. All right, so this is my own little party trick. So the eggs don't kind of fall all over the tray. I take a little bit of salt, and I just make little piles throughout your favorite platter. That way you can rest your egg right on top, and it won't move. And then grab the best olive oil you have and give it a good drizzle.